Hi, I'm Paul Steinbrook with Skyway Web Design and Marketing. Thanks for watching this website design frequently asked questions video. Now, oftentimes when a company or organization decides that they really need a new website, the next thing they need to figure out is what are the requirements for that website. When you talk with web developers, they're going to ask you, well, what do you want this website to do? So you'll need to figure that out. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to determine what your website's requirements are. Well, the first thing that you need to do in order to determine your website's requirements is to define the purposes of your website. Now, if you are part of the leadership team at your company, I'm sure you want your website to help you grow your sales, your customers, and your business. But you're going to want to be more specific than that. How do you gain customers? What is your sales process? Are you hoping that your website gets you more people to fill out a contact form, to schedule a call, to fill out a call scheduling form on your website, to order directly through a shopping cart on your site? And then in addition to that, what are your other purposes for your website? Are you wanting to provide better customer support? Are you wanting to do better follow-up with your customers, better communication with your customers? So these are all things to figure out in order to determine what the purposes of your website are and therefore the functional requirements of your website. All right, so the next thing is in this process is to prioritize the needs of the website and the wants of the website. Oftentimes, if you write down all the things you'd like your website to do, it can be a really long list of things. And if you go to a developer, they're going to tell you, sure, we can do all of those things, but it's going to cost you X, Y, Z dollars, and it might be more than you have budgeted. So one of the things that you're going to want to do is prioritize which things do you want done immediately and which things do you want long term. Now, it's still important to talk with your website developer about your long-term goals, your long-term functional goals, what you want the website to do down the road, because you want to be sure that they build the website that will have the capability to do everything that you want, both in the short term and the long term. So you may, for example, have an idea that you'd like to have a customer portal on your website, or maybe you want a way to generate quotes automatically through your website. And then, so these are things to talk about with your web developer. You may decide that you want to do them right away, or you may decide that you can wait until later because they don't fit in the budget right now. But these are all things to bring up with your developer and to know what you need immediately and what you want long term, what you absolutely have to have, and what maybe you can decide not to do at this point. Another thing then, third thing to figure out in terms of your requirements is really think about choosing options that are going to save your organization time and money right away. So some of the things that can do this are online forms. So if you have events that you want people to sign up for, to have a form to sign up instead of just emailing you about it. Or if, let's say you're a school and you've got an application form for new students, to have that form online so that people don't have to fill out a paper form and mail it to you or something like that. And of course, if you can do sales through a shopping cart, that might save you time and money instead of just calling in an order. So all of these things that can save you time and money and can be done in an automated online way through your website, prioritize these things because they will help to offset the investment that you make in your website and save you time long term. All right, so these are some of the things to consider when determining the website requirements for your website. We hope you found this helpful. And if you are interested in having a custom website built for your company or nonprofit, please email us at support@skywayweb.com or schedule a call with us. We would love to talk with you and help you figure out your next website for your organization. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.